Hello everyone, Princess the Bear here, and today we're at
Lay's
Pizza, Disney Springs. So we've been hearing a lot about the vegan pizza here before they get rid of it. We're gonna go try it out.
We'll see what it's like.
Maybe.
Be sure to subscribe.
You heard the girl.
I'm excited to try this because everybody says Lay's is amazing. I'm curious to know what kind of cheese this is because it's definitely not from your heart. But it tastes a little plasticky.
So vegan pizza, it's either godly or garbage worthy. So we'll see. You were ever a kid and you took a magnifying glass to your plastic toys? That's what I imagine that tastes like. It's so just, the cheese is so weird, but I can't taste the tomato or anything else. It's just not great. It's a 1 out of 5 claws. It's just not good. Watch the teeth, you'll be fine. It's on a good base.
What is this?
Like mushroom and broccoli and tomato.
All I can say is I'm glad I'm not a vegan. No.
Apparently you officially ruined pizza.
I'd give it a 4 out of 5. That was pretty good. I just don't like Lay's how thin the pizza is. You don't like thin crust? No. But yeah, it was good.
Now, I'm never going to give up this fight, but always pineapple on my pizza. Always. So I got barbecue chicken, banana peppers, and pineapple. It's gorgonzola cheese, which I don't normally get. I'm probably going to regret that later. It's not bad. A little kick to a little spice. The crust is decent. I do wish, like fancy, it was a little bit thicker. But 4 to 5 claws. I knew this. Just finished at Lay's Pizza.
Not as impressed as I thought I would be.
Worst vegan pizza that I've had in a very long time.
That's disappointing.
I will eat that whole pizza at the Seven Seas Lagoon. It was not good.
Did you just say you'd eat the pizza?
I said eat.
Okay.
I know words.
What's that tongue do?
You know how fancy he is.
She fancy now. She got not a Bud Light. Wait, that is a Bud Light.
It is. I'm not
Never mind,
fancy.
she's not fancy.
So
today.
until next time,
Be sure to subscribe.
you heard the girl.